In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Calendly branding from your scheduling page. Imagine you're setting your professional footprint online, and every detail matters, including the branding on your scheduling page. That's precisely what we are diving into today. Removing branding might seem straightforward, but it requires you to navigate through several steps on Calendly's platform. This walkthrough is designed to help you seamlessly remove Calendly branding, providing a more personalized experience for your clients or audience. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Calendly website. This online appointment scheduling software is essential for managing your meetings efficiently, and today we are going to tweak it a bit to suit your branding needs. Once you've reached the home page, you'll notice a login button. Click on this to proceed. Many of you might have different methods set up for logging in, but for today's tutorial, we'll focus on logging in via Google. This option simplifies the process, leveraging your existing Google account for seamless access. After selecting to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the account you wish to use. If you've logged in before, your account might be displayed immediately, otherwise you might need to enter your credentials here. Select the account you use for Calendly, or the one you plan to. Following the account selection, a Continue button will appear. This step is essentially giving Calendly the permissions it needs to manage your calendar effectively. It's a necessary step to ensure that your Calendly scheduling aligns with your actual availability, reducing double bookings or scheduling conflicts. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your Calendly dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You'll find a myriad of options, but head straight to your profile at the top right corner. This is like the command center for your personal settings on Calendly. In your profile drop-down, there's an option labeled Branding. This section controls the visual aspect of your scheduling page. Click on Branding to open the settings that allow you to tweak how your Calendly page appears to others. Now you're at the crucial part. You'll see a toggle or switch that represents the Calendly branding on your page. By default, this is turned on, displaying the Calendly branding on your scheduling page. What you want to do is click to turn it off. This action directs Calendly to remove its branding, giving your scheduling page a cleaner look that's more in line with your personal or professional brand. Don't rush off just yet. There's one more crucial step: saving your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click on it. This ensures all the modifications you've made are applied and retained. Without this step, your efforts to remove the branding wouldn't be saved, meaning next time you log in, you would be welcomed by the very same Calendly branding you wished to eliminate. And there you have it. You've successfully removed Calendly branding from your scheduling page. This change means your clients or anyone booking time with you will have a more personalized experience, aligned with your brand's aesthetics and values. A few tips to keep in mind. Always double check to ensure your changes are saved. You might also want to visit your Calendly page in an incognito window to see how it looks to others. And remember, personalizing your scheduling page doesn't stop here. There are many more customization options in Calendly to explore, ensuring every touchpoint reflects your professional brand accurately. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Removing Calendly branding is just one step towards creating a more branded and cohesive online presence. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more tutorials on enhancing your digital engagement.